Hello ladies and gentlemen and everything in between. Welcome to Kismit's Corner. I'm Kismit. Today we're going to be looking at my birthday Zippo. This Zippo is from, I don't know if you can see that, CX, which means March 1994. It's pretty beat up. It's missing the top half. This is the Marlboro Cowboy lighter from the Marlboro County store. It's hard to tell, but that stamp is right there. I got this for about $17 plus 5 shipping, so it was about $22 shipped to my door. Not bad. Pretty dirty. The hinge is a little loose, and it has some matching problems. A bit of an overbite. So I'm going to be sending this off to ZippoFanatic 77, and he's going to be doing a custom, well, not a full custom, but a sort of like a birthday Zippo, similar to what Gear Up has with his Albertosaurus Zippo. I'm thinking an X-Files theme. I love the X-Files, and I've loved it since I was a kid. My parents used to watch it, and I used to sing the theme song because I couldn't whistle. And I was young enough that I could actually hit those notes as a kid. Funny how things work out now. I had no way I could hit those notes. So what I'm going to do is later on I'm going to remove this emblem. From what I understand, these emblems are brazed on, and so it's easy to remove with some heat. So I'm going to do that before I send it off. I'll have a video of that coming up here in just a few minutes. Stay tuned. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're just going to heat this until the emblem falls off. It's brazed on, I think, or soldered on, but it should come off with a bit of heat. There we go. Well, that was easy. Alright, we're back after the emblem removal. It's pretty easy. Just a little bit of heat, and it came right off. Only problem is it left, I don't know what you would call that. There's still some, it's kind of rough. I don't know if you can see that. But hopefully that'll come off with the ultrasonic cleaning. Clean all this other crap off, and buff it up, and have the design put on by ZippoFanatic. Can't wait. So this has been the March 94 birthday Zippo for me, Kismit. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.